Pelo. Easy layup. Pelo. Foul. Foul committed by number 19. Rebound by Rivera pa rin. Pass to Pilabelo. Bading-ding. Benitez pass to Pilabelo. Last 1 minute. Diretso naman. Easy 2 point. Pilabelo. For 3. Ilistahay. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. Cardenas, pass to Rivera, no good. And a foul committed by number 69. Second throw, pasok naman niya. Pilabelo naman niya sila, lumisi 2 points. Pilabelo, easy layup. 55. Second throw, pasok. 53 seconds remaining. Still, may Pilabelo pasok.